In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text to Squarespace site. We'll start right from the beginning and move through each action so you can confidently add and style text on any page. First, head to the Squarespace website and sign in if you aren't already. Once you're on the home page, look to the top right and click your profile icon. This opens a quick menu where you can access everything tied to your account. From that menu, choose Account Dashboard. The dashboard shows all of your sites in one place, making it easy to jump into the correct project. Click the site where you want to add text. If you manage more than one, double check you've picked the right one so your edits go to the correct place. Next, click Edit Site to open the visual editor. If you see an edit button at the top of the page afterward, click it to switch fully into editing mode. You'll know you're in the right place when the page elements highlight. As you move your cursor and options start appearing around sections. Now navigate to the specific page or section where you want your text to live and hover your cursor over that area. When you see the insertion prompt, click Add Block. Blocks are Squarespace's building pieces, things like text, images, buttons, and more. In the block library that appears, select Text. A new text block will be placed right where you chose, ready for editing. Click the pencil icon on the block to open its full editor. Depending on your template, you can usually type directly on the page, but the pencil ensures you see all available formatting controls. Go ahead and start typing your content. Keep things scannable by using short paragraphs and consider using headings for structure. Headings not only guide readers, they also help your text inherit the correct fonts and sizes based on your site style settings. You can adjust the look of your text using the on-page toolbar. Apply paragraph or heading styles, add bold or italics for emphasis, create lists, set alignment, and add links where needed. If you want your text to pick up a different font, choose the appropriate heading or paragraph style rather than manually overriding everything. This keeps your design consistent and makes future updates easier. If you don't immediately see the exact option you want, try hovering near the text toolbar or expanding the editor for more controls. When you're happy with the content and formatting, click Save. This publishes your changes to the live page. If you need to rethink something, you can always come back, reopen the editor, and adjust your text at any time. And that's it. You've successfully added text to your Squarespace site.